Hello everyone, good morning. This is Ankur Rupani. Invite you and welcome you to this session on 7 habits life skill learning. Okay, I'd love to know about you all first, but right now, just because it's a big class, I'm just gonna share about me first, and then I'd love to know about each and every one of you. Like I said, I'm Ankur. I've done I had a very interesting journey, so I'll share a little bit about it. Started with BTech from IIT, and the reason for getting it there was a interest which was kind of triggered in me from my brother, who said that's the best place to be. There's sports, there's a lot of events, and all that actually became the motivation, not really the academics. But yeah, of course, the academics was there. I had interest in math and physics, and that interest kind of triggered self-learning, and I was learning all by myself, enjoying it, and that led to IIT, and then went to do my masters in US in engineering. But through this journey, and another question arose in my mind, and that is about education itself. How can it be better? How can it be more holistic and not just focusing on academics? What about the other aspects, right? We all have various aspects. We have a mental aspect, we have a intellectual aspect, physical aspect, spiritual aspect, emotional aspect. So what about all these aspects? And that led me to what is called the holistic education, a study of that through my second masters. And I explored various schools, very interesting schools. We had a lot of very interesting courses also. Science and spirituality, painting as meditation, drawing as meditation, photography as social change. So a lot of courses which were more about going inward and going outward, both these aspects. And then I studied various schools like Sri Aurobindo Integral Education and other schools. And then I've been into teacher training. I've been a holistic education coach, a life skills coach, and here I am here with you today. So let's start the discussion with a question. I'm going to ask you that why do we study maths, science, physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography? Could someone share a few thoughts on that? Yes. So one obvious reason is to clear the final exam, which is JEE or NEET and those kind of exams that we need to clear. But keeping that aside, the other reason is practical also, right? There are practical applications of all of this. Math, you will find a lot of applications, percentage, especially the basic math, the percentages, the ratios, the plus addition, subtraction, and all that in a lot of fields. You agree, right? You'll find that in cricket, in scoring, in when you let's say are getting into a field which is like engineering or science related fields. You'll find a lot of math. Even architecture, etc. Right? So math gives you a foundation, and science also. First of all, what is science? Science is observing very carefully the outer world. Based on that, we figure out laws which are governing all this outer world phenomenon, and based on that, we develop technology so we can use that, right? So, for example, we observe very carefully birds flying in the air. We see, oh, can we also fly? And we figure out the laws by which the birds are flying, and using those same laws we design technology, and we try and fly, and today we are flying in the air, right? And really amazing, right? Just think about it, so many miles up in the air, and just based on the laws of physics that we've understood, we've developed technology and we are able to fly in the air. Same way, we've understood laws of energy, and we figured out how to convert one form to other, and we have the electricity today, because electricity was not there. It was there a little bit in nature, but really we have tapped into the laws of physics and figured out how to bring out electricity into our lives and use it all around us, right? So this is math, science, and similarly history, geography, and all these have their own this thing. Now Next, my question is what is one other skill which we are studying? We do get it in the schools, but I like that's what I feel. A little bit more could be done, and that's what we are here for. What is that skill which you will be using throughout your life? Because see, math skills sometimes maybe you'll use, not use. Science skills also you may use, may not use, depending on your careers, depending on your life journey. But this skill, no matter what your life journey is, you're going to use. Yes, this is life skills, or you can call it leadership skills. How do you lead yourself? How do you lead your life? And how do you then lead others as well? Right? That's what we call leadership skills or life skills. So that's what we're going to explore about in this particular session.